Hello students, in earlier video we had learned the universal set. Okay, what is meant by universal set and how to represent universal set with the help of Venn diagrams. Okay, now in this video we will learn about complement of set. Okay, what is meant by complement of set, how to calculate problems based on this concept we will discuss here. Okay, so first here, what complements of set means what? Okay, suppose U is an what? Universal set. U is what? It is a universal set if B is the subset of U. Okay, B is the some set which is subset of universal set. Then what is this? B is the subset of U means in B set there are some elements present which are already in what? Universal set. Then the set of all elements in U which are not in set B, those elements which are not included in B, this is called as a complement of set B. Okay, clear? So it is denoted by what? B dash or B raised to C. Okay, B dash or B raised to C. This is the notation of complement of set here. Next, B dash is defined as follows. Okay, B dash is equal to X such that X belongs to what? X belongs to U because it is a universal set. As earlier we have discussed earlier that B belongs to universal set. So X belongs to universal set. Then X is not in B. Those elements elements are not present in B, those elements are treated as a complement of set B here. Okay, so we will discuss this concept with the help of one example. Okay, so we'll understand this. Example 1. This is basic idea related to the complement of set. Okay, now we will discuss here one example, that is if U is what? U is your universal set. So U is equal to, suppose in universal set some elements are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, this is your universal set which holds the elements from 1 to 10 here. Next, your set A is there and the elements of set A is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose these are the elements of set B. Then I want to calculate complement of set A here. Okay, so how to calculate? What is the definition of complement of set? Those elements which are not present in A, this is what? This is the complement of set. So we want to compare this A set with what? Universal set. So just compare here. Okay, 1 is present in set A. Yes, 1 is present in set A. No, so it take it as okay as it is. Then 2 is present, so do not take this element. Okay, 3 is present in set A. No, so 3 put here. Next, 4 is present. Yes, 4 is also present in universal set. 5 is present in set A. No, so 5 we put here. 6 is already present. Then 7 is not there. 8 is already present. 9 is not there. Okay, and then 10 is already present here. That means those elements which are not present in the A set, this element write in another set, and this set is called as a complement of set A here. Clear? Understand this, how to calculate complement of this set? Yes. So therefore the complement of A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 here. Clear? So how to represent this complement set with the help of Venn diagram? Okay, so we will draw here one Venn diagram. How to represent universal set in Venn diagram? By drawing the rectangle here. So rectangle is represents what? Venn diagram of universal set. Okay, then what is the subset of? Then A is the subset of U. Yes, it is correct. A is the subset of U because some elements, okay, of universal set is also present in set A. So A is the subset of what? Universal set. So write down subset first here. So subset name is A here, and write down all the elements, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are the elements. Next, write down elements of universal set. 1, then 2 is already present, 3, then 4 is already present, then write down 5, then 6 is already there, then 7, 8 is already present here, then write down 9 and 10 is already present in this. Okay, so just observe here what is the elements of A dash, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this outer side set is what? This outer side set is for A dash. Understand? This is what? This is the complement of the set A. Yes, clear? So we will discuss this with the help of one example and how to draw the Venn diagram of the complement set also. Okay, clear? Understand? Next we will discuss next example here. That is example number 2. Okay, suppose U is equal to 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18 and 19. Okay, then B is equal to 3, 9, 11, 13. Okay, so this is your given set here. Next, we want to calculate B's complement. So how to calculate? Just compare set U and B here. Those elements not present in what? Those elements are not in B set, so write down in B's complement. So which element is not present here? That is 1. Okay, 3 is present, 9 is also present, 11 is also present, 13 present, then 18 and then 19. So this is the complement of set B. Clear? Understand? So next thing is what? Find B complements complement. Okay, and draw the Venn diagram here. Okay, and आपको क्या करना है वहाँ पे? Venn diagram निकालनी है and draw the inference, means what? Venn diagram. Clear? So just look here. We want to calculate B's complements complement. Okay, so how to calculate? Just compare here B's complement. What are the elements in B complement? 1, 18 and 19. So compare this set with this one. Okay, so 1 is already present. Then what is the next element? 3 is not present, so write down 3 here. Okay, then 9 not present here, 11 is also not present, 13, 18 is present here, then 19 is also present here. So these are the elements of B's complements complement. So just observe here, when we take complements of complement, then what we get? Get the original set, that is B set here. So what are the B set elements of the B set? 3, 9, 11, 13. So what we conclude here? One note is there, that is note complement of complement is the given set itself. Is the given set itself. ओके, जिससे हमें वही सेट एक और बार मिल रहा है उसको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट बोलेंगे. ओके, क्लियर, अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, next. So how to draw this with the help of one Venn diagram here. So for universal set, how to draw? You draw one rectangle here. So you write down here U for universal set. Next, write down subset. That is which is the subset here? B. B is the subset of U. So write down B. All the elements including B, that is 3, 9, 11 and 30. Okay, next thing is what? Write down all the elements remaining which are not included in B, that is 1, next 18, then 19, and this set is called as a B's complement set. Yes, understand? So this is the example related to what? Here only one concept here understand, that is when we take complement of complement, then the resultant set is what? The set itself. Okay, our original set is the result of that set. Okay, understand? Okay, next point is properties of complement of a set. Okay, first property is no elements are common in A and A dash. No common elements in set A and A dash. Okay, there are no any common elements, there are not any common elements between set A and complement of that set A. Okay, next property, A is a subset of U, then and A dash is also subset of U. Okay, when set A is a subset of U, then complement of that set is also the subset of universal set here. Then third, complement of set U, complement of set U or universal set, complement of the universal set is what? Is empty set. Empty set means no elements present in that set. That is, we write it as U's complement is equal to what? 5. This denotes empty set or null set. Okay, next fourth property, complement of empty set is U, that is universal set. So we can write it as complement of phi is equal to universal set. Okay, so in this way we will study here some properties of the complement of set. Okay, so